It's time for part 3 of the OpenRC F1 project. Today, we race. Yes, the day has finally come where Colin and I race our OpenRC F1 cars, mine with the old school electronics, and his with a little newer version. So mine's all charged up, let's not waste any more time, let's head out and see what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 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 Well, that was interesting. Okay, it wasn't much of a race, but we gave it our best shot. Colin did have a few electronics issues, and he was putting out a lot more power than he could actually put down on the street. My car weighing in at over a kilogram, and the batteries not being as hot as they used to be, really helped me be able to control the car. I know the video wasn't as exciting as it could have been, but I'm sure that there will be a rematch really soon. A big thanks to Colin for building a car along with me, and helping me capture all that great video footage. Please be sure to go check out Colin Makes Stuff here on YouTube. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to my channel. If not, leave your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.